So we're going for a ride, or?
Guess so.
Yeah.
You gotta get gas.
Oh, baby! What's up, dudes? We're on our way to Brent's place, getting ready for the wild car show. Should be interesting, should be fun. This is our first time ever having a booth, our very own setup, so it's gonna be kind of cool. We got merch for the first time. It's all packed away, but we got stickers. Nick's gonna be there. We're gonna have a good old time. Let's get this show on the road. Okay, so the other camera didn't work out. I'm going with the cell phone. We're at Brent's, we're getting set up. We're gonna check some stuff out. Tonight, if we get lucky, it's gonna be the maiden voyage for the wagon. So, we gotta get this thing out of the way, getting the Chevy 2 out of the way. Brent's drag car, and we'll get that out of the way, pull out the wagon, go for a little test ride, and go from there. We got a show to set up for. We're going over there later. We've been there to check it out already. So we gotta set up our tent, the Christmas tree for the reaction time competition we're gonna have at this show, and then figure out how we're gonna line up the cars, the merch, the stickers. We got stickers now, so stay tuned for that. Check that out, and hopefully by tomorrow morning we're good to go. Everything's organized, and then it's showtime. What are you doing?
Okay, whoa. You can't put a nut on it.
You putting the shocks on so you can...
No, we're not putting a nut on it. I lost the nut. I had it until the car fell on me.
Okay, so they're trying to get the shocks on so we can just get that car out of the way. Stay tuned.
Giant standing over top.
Yeah.
We both feel like giants. You wanna know what you feel like?
Yeah, that's crazy though. It's like my knee is like over the fender. So we're going for a ride, or?
Guess so.
Yeah.
You gotta get gas.
Oh, baby! You gonna do a road tune?
No. All a professional.
You are a professional.
That was in gear last week. I started this project. Banged it out for him for show.
You are the man.
I mean, new motor. We got to see if it goes lean. We have to brand new gears. We got to break into gears at the same time. Don't know if this transmission shifts on its own because it's new transmission or used new transmission. So a lot going on in this first little test drive. Well, start it and just comfortably.
What do you add now? Like $600 in there?
It doesn't fit more than like 60.
Really?
That's
Oh
tiny
wow.
gas tank. Yeah, it's all weird. Huge car, tiny back seat, tiny gas tank.
For now, it should technically throw up the hose. Has
Perfect. Perfect.
That's a bad sign, I guess. Right?
Bob, it's weird. Huh?
Yeah, we'll go. It's not getting enough gas. For sure, 100%. I heard. Yeah, should have just started opening it up or something.
Yeah,
I mean,
get it off, right?
Oh, I heard it started pinging.
Well, it's like playing back.
Yeah. Yeah, I have
cool.
this screen which tells me how much gas it's getting, how much. You have this screen.
Did it
Spend Jack Mark's hard-earned money to get you some sweet footage.
did it for the YouTube?
Like, brand new Roadmaster build blows up. That's getting some views.